Hey everyone, welcome back to World Wealth and Success in Motion with Mr. JHoward. Listen, today we're going to talk about the unexpected reasons why your savings may be stagnant and how to fix it. I'm going to give you 6 top reasons. So if you've been wondering why your savings just aren't growing the way that you expect, I need you to stick around. I'll cover some surprising reasons that might be holding you back, and more importantly, how you can change things. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Unclear financial goals, key point number 1. So first, let's talk about it. When you don't have a clear purpose for your savings, it's easy for you to get off track. You might find yourself dipping into your savings for random purchases or neglecting to save at all. To fix this, you need to set specific goals and measurable goals, whether it's saving for a home, building for an emergency fund, or investing for the future. Make sure your savings have a destination, not just a direction. Key point number 2, lifestyle inflation. Next, we want to make sure that you understand how this happens. So this happens when your income goes up and you increase your spending to match it, leaving little room to save. The fix here is to simply live below your means. Just because you're earning more doesn't mean you have to spend more. Make sure you stick to a budget that allows you to save a fixed percentage of your income, no matter how much you're making. Key point number 3, high interest debt. High interest debt is another silent killer of savings. You might be putting money aside, but if you're also carrying a high interest debt, the interest on that debt may be eating away at any progress that you're making. The solution? Focus on paying down the high interest debt first. Make it a priority before aggressively trying to save. This way, you're not losing more money than you're actually gaining. Key point number 4, lack of automation. A lot of people don't automate their savings, which makes it easy to skip months or forget to save. Automating your saving helps you make it a habit and ensures that you're always putting something away. Whether it's through your employer's direct deposit or setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, or using the various amount of apps and softwares that can take penny pinches and incremental amount out of your checking, or when you swipe your debit card and automatically put it into your savings, automation is key. Set it and forget it. Key point number 5, unrealistic savings goals. Listen, another thing that could be holding you back is having unrealistic savings goals. If you're setting goals that are too high or you're trying to save too aggressively, you may get discouraged and quit altogether. Start small and build momentum. Once you've established the habit of saving, you can gradually increase the amount. Key point number 6, emotional spending. Finally, emotional spending can derail your savings completely. Whether it's retail therapy or impulse buying, when you're stressed out, these purchases add up and can slow down your savings. The key to recognize these emotional triggers and find healthier ways to cope, whether it's exercising, journaling, or talking to a friend. Find unique ways to distract you from wanting to do that impulse buying and actually save. All right, so there you have it. Some unexpected reasons why your savings might be stagnant and some actionable tips to get them growing again. If any of these sound familiar, now is the time to make a change. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings take off. Listen, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on building wealth, managing money, and achieving financial freedom. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what's been holding your savings back, or what changes you're making starting today, even what apps you're using for those automatic savings. Your engagement really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate all your support. I go by Mr. JHoward. Talk to you soon.